Welcome. If you're managing a business or organization on Facebook, keeping your service area up to date is crucial for reaching the right audience. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change the service area for your page using the Facebook app on your PC, following the latest update. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This action will open a menu with quick access to your profile and any pages you manage. Next, from the list, select the page you want to update. You'll be taken to your page's main timeline. Here, look for the About option. It's usually located on the left side menu or in the page's main navigation bar. Click on About to access details about your business or organization. Now, scroll down to find the Contact and Basic Info section. This is where you'll see all the current information that people see when they visit your page, including your address and service area. To update your service area, look for the line labeled Service Area. Right beside it, you'll notice a More icon. This typically looks like 3 dots or a small arrow. Click on this icon to reveal extra options, then select Edit Address from the list. You'll now be able to update your service area information. Make any necessary changes, whether you're expanding your reach to new locations or narrowing it down to better serve your community. Double-check your updates to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, hit Save to apply your changes. Facebook will now show your updated service area to everyone who visits your page. And that's it. You've just learned how easy it is to update your service area using the new Facebook app on your PC. Staying current helps connect your business to the people who matter most. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and stay tuned for more tips.